Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Swan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of February 2024 for all the Libra ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of February 2024 for all the Libra ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Libra ascendant people, Sun controls your 11th house, and right now, Sun is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Capricorn. Sun will stay in your 4th house till 14th of February. After 14th of February, Sun will move to your 5th house in the sign of Aquarius, where 5th house Lord Saturn is already moving. 11th house will be your friend circle, your professional network circle, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes seen from 11th house, your incoming gains of money, gains of respect, gains of anything is seen from 11th house in the form of bulk. Your elder brother and sister is also seen from 11th house. So right now, your 11th house Lord is moving in your 4th house. 4th house is with your mother, your mother's relationship is seen from 4th house, your happiness, your emotions, your properties, vehicles, all the conveniences do you have is seen from 4th house. So right now your 11th house Lord is moving in your 4th house. So that's why we can expect great result regarding your homes and property and your conveniences related matter. Because 11th house controls your gains, and right now house of gain, Lord of gains is moving in the house of comfort, in the house of vehicles, in the house of property. So we can expect if your mother is a business woman or working woman, then we can expect she will also get gains of money in the month of February, especially before 14th of February till Sun is moving in your 4th house. Because your 4th house is right now in a strong position, because right now your 4th house is in a strong position. Mars is already moving in your 4th house in its exalted position because Mars is present in Capricorn sign, and Mars give very good result in Capricorn sign. That's why we can expect great result regarding your mother's health, your relationship with your mother, your properties related matter, and your conveniences related matter in your home. Also, after 14th of February, when Sun will move to your 5th house, then from 5th house, Sun will also expect its own house, your 11th house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your fun activities, regarding your education related matter if you are in education life. Also, we can expect good result regarding your love relationship if you have love relationship, and also we can expect great result regarding your fun activities because your 5th house is right now in a strong position, and after 14th of February, your 11th house Lord will also be moving in your 5th house. Also, if you are married right now and you have children, then we can expect great result regarding your children's related matter as well in the month of February. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Libra ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Libra ascendant people, Mercury controls your 9th house and your 12th house. And right now your 9th house and 12th house Lord is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Capricorn. Ninth house will be your father, teachings of your father seen from ninth house, your teachers, mentors, your guider, your advisor, your lawyers are also seen from ninth house, your your long distance travel, your religious inclination and religious knowledge is also seen from ninth house. 12th house will be your isolation, your expenses, your losses seen from 12th house, your long-term investment, your spirituality related matters seen from 12th house, your donations, ability to do donation is also seen from 12th house, and foreign land and foreign settlement is also seen from 12th house. So right now, 12th house and your ninth house Lord is moving in your 4th house, and Mercury is just moved from your 3rd house to your 4th house after 2nd February 2024. And Mercury will move from your 4th house to your 5th house after 20th February 2024 in the sign of Aquarius. So till 20th February, Mercury will be moving in your 4th house. First of all, we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter if you want to travel somewhere, because long distance travel Lord is moving in in your homeland house, so that's why we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter. Also, we can expect good result if you want to visit some religious places in the month of February, till especially till 20th of February, till Mercury is moving in your 4th house. Also, 12th house will be the foreign settlement, foreign land is in from 12th house. And right now, your foreign settlement, foreign land Lord is also moving in your 4th house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter if you want to travel somewhere in the month of February, especially before 20th February 2024. After 20th of February, when Mercury will move from your 4th house to 5th house, then we can expect good result regarding your education related matter and your children's related matter and your love relationship matter, because ninth house also deal with your luck related matter. Your fortune is also seen from ninth house, and ninth house lord will be moving in your fifth house, where Saturn is also moving in its strong position, and Mercury and Saturn are considered as friends in astrology. That's why we can expect great result regarding your love relationship, your education related matter, if you are in education life. Also, if you have children right now, then we can expect great result as well for them in the month of February. After 20th February, your 12th house lord will be moving in your 5th house. But right now, Ketu is also moving in your 12th house. And right now, Ketu is moving in your 12th house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. But in the month of February, Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your fifth house after 20th February 2021. So you may have to face some difficulty, some health related issues regarding your children and your love relationship in the month of February. So you need to be take care of these matters in the month of February. Rest all thing we can expect great result regarding Mercury. Rest all of thing will be okay in the month of February. Just you need to be take care of your children's health and your love relationship in the month of February, especially after 20th of February when your 12th house lord is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Aquarius. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Libra ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Libra ascendant people, Venus controls your first house and your eighth house. Means Venus is your ascendant lord. Venus is very important planet for you people. And in the month of February, Venus is right now moving in your third house in the sign of Sagittarius. Venus will stay in your third house till 11th February 2024. After 11th February, Venus will also move to your fourth house in the sign of Capricorn. First house will with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house, your physique, your fundamental nature, your mental perception is also seen from first house. Eighth house will with your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from eighth house, your secret activities, your sexual activities, sexual relationship, extramarital affairs are also seen from eighth house. So right now, eighth house, first house lord is moving in your third house in the sign of Sagittarius. Third house will with your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your younger brother and sister is seen from third house, your communication abilities is seen from third house, your hand skills is seen from third house, your ability to do efforts is also seen from third house. So right now, you, so right now your first house and your eighth house lord is moving in your third house. That's why we can expect you will put a lot of efforts in your work in the month of February due to presence of your first house lord in the house of efforts. Also, we can expect great result regarding your communication related matter. You may arrange some get together before 11th of February with your cousins, neighbors, and childhood friends in the month of February. Also, your eighth house lord is moving in your third house. So we can expect you may have suddenly you will arrange some get together with your friend circle, professional network circle, and your cousins or neighbors in the month of February, especially before 11th of February. After 11th of February, when Venus will move to your fourth house, then we can expect great result regarding your properties, vehicles, and your comfort related matter. Also, we can expect suddenly you will get a good news regarding your properties and vehicles related matter or your conveniences related matter in the month of February, especially after 11th of February when Venus will move to your fourth house in the sign of Capricorn. Also, we can expect these results from Venus for all the Libra ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Libra ascendant people, Moon controls your 10th house, and right now Moon is moving in your third house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of February, and on the basis of 6th February we are predicting for whole month because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. First of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And Moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon gets influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. and especially problem will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near any of these naturally malefic planets. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Libra ascendant people, Mars controls your seventh house and your second house. And right now, Mars is moving in your fourth house in the sign of Capricorn. Seventh house will be your marriage, your spouse is seen from seventh house, your relationship in general is seen from seventh house, your business partnership, your commitment, your legal binding, how you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others seen from seventh house, and your fame along with tenth house is also seen from seventh house. Second house deal with your family, your savings, your money matter is seen from second house, your pocket, your wallet, your bank account is seen from second house, your family's wealth, your early upbringing is seen from second house, your speech, your food intake habits, and your mouth region is also seen from second house. In the month of February, your seventh house and second house lord will be moving in your fourth house in the sign of Capricorn. Means right now Mars is moving in its strong position in your fourth house, because Mars is right now moving in the Capricorn sign, and Mars considered as exalted in Capricorn sign. So we can expect great result regarding your properties, regarding your vehicles, regarding comfort in your life in the month of February due to presence of Mars in your fourth house. Also, your Jupiter is also moving in your seventh house, and Mars is taking Jupiter's energy in your fourth house. So we can expect great result regarding your relationship, regarding your marriage related matter in the month of February. Also, we can expect you may purchase something to you may purchase something in the month of February for your home, like your properties, vehicles, or some decoration. It also Mars controls your second house, and second house Lord is moving in your fourth house, and Mars is in a strong position. That's why we can expect great result regarding your family related matter, regarding your money related matter, and your savings related matter as well in the month of February. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Libras and people in the month of February. We will have four major astrological events in the month of February. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your fourth house, and Sun will stay in your fourth house till 14th of February. After 14th of February, Sun will move to your fifth house in the sign of Aquarius. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your fourth house, and Mercury just moved to fourth house after 2nd February 2024 in the sign of Capricorn, and Mercury will move from your fourth house to your fifth house after 20th February 2024 in the sign of Aquarius. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your fourth house, and Mars has just moved from your third house to your fourth house after 6th February 2024 in the sign of Capricorn. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your third house, and Venus will stay in your third house till 11th February 2024. After 11th February, Venus will move from your third house to your fourth house in the sign of Capricorn. Today's video monthly prediction for the month of February 2024 for all the Libra ascendant ants here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.